Hello, Linda Bradley from Princess House. I have a really special offer for you today. I've been making up layaway packages non-stop, and I chose my two favorite items to share with you tonight. So these are both some of the most popular items that we do have in our catalog. Number one, best-selling item 4 years in a row is our high-power blender. Do you know that Princess House sells more blenders than Walmart? It's amazing. So this piece is awesome. It has 1500 watts of power. You're going to find that it has 3 pre-programmed buttons. One is for your smoothies. That's what you're going to use every day. Go ahead and put in your fruits and your vegetables, and it tastes wonderful, so healthy for you. There's also ones for dips and spreads. You can make homemade hummus, homemade pesto, again, amazing. And then there's even one for hot soup, and it cooks for 7 minutes and it comes out hot. It's crazy. There's also a dial where you can adjust however you want it. It has the stainless steel blades. It goes from all 4 corners. It has what they call a temper, so that when you need to mix it, you can mix it if it's thick. I've made nut butters in here, so many different things. So this is, as I said, our #1 seller. But I'm going to give you a choice, because coming up close is our stand mixer. This is a newer item. It's only been out this last year. And it's really cool. It comes with the 3 different fittings. So one is the whisk, one is the normal blade, and then one is a dough hook. So that's great for pizza and things like that. It does have, as you can see, which is really nice, a removable splash guard, so that when you put your foods in it, you're not going to have them come up and hit you, right? Because sometimes your flour comes right back up at you. There's a hole right in here so that when you have to add other ingredients, it's really easy to do it while it is still on. It has suction cups on the bottom, so it stays close to your table. It only weighs 14 pounds, so it's easy to lift, and it has 10 degrees. So these pieces are both in the book for $619 plus shipping and plus tax. But there's a really special going on right now that I've made it even better for you. So what happens is I've reduced the price of these to just $371. And you can make 8 payments of $46.36, and they're yours. They ship anywhere in the United States, and you can take advantage of whichever one you want. You have to tell me, do you want the blender or do you want the mixer? Spoiler alert, if you want both, reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com, because I have an even better offer for you if you want both, okay? But I do have a bonus for all of you right now. So you can choose either the blender or the mixer. The complete price is $371. That includes tax, that includes shipping. But I have a bonus offer for you. When you take advantage of this, you're going to have to choose, but I will give you either our stainless steel tea kettle for just $20. Now this is in the book at $139.95. You can get that for just $20 when you buy one of these. Or, and again, you have to choose our thermos. This is a great item to take wherever you want to go. It's 1.7 quarts, and it actually has 2 different containers inside to keep your foods hot. So you can keep one in the bottom and then one in the dish. And this one is going to just be $22 as a bonus. So this is my package for you, my friends. You may either choose the blender or the mixer. The total is $371 complete. You pay 8 payments of just $46.38, and then you can either choose the tea kettle for $20 or the, what did I call this? The thermos for $22. Reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. These are limited time offers, so I want to make sure that you get them and you do not miss them. These are items that you will use in your house every day, and you will love them more every day. Thanks so much for joining me. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I love bringing you values, so let me know what you're looking for, and I'll make a layaway just for you. See you next time.